My name's Graham. I've just completed a level 1 Gong training course with Leith. It has been a fantastic experience. I didn't really know what to expect, but once I got up and started to play the gong, your whole body just goes with it, and it is an amazing experience, and I would recommend anybody to do it, and to do it with Leith. He's a very good teacher, and yeah, that's just an experience that I've really enjoyed. We have workshops and meditations at my partner's place, and I can see it being used there quite a lot. We have singing bowls as well, so it'll work in conjunction with that. So I can see it being used quite a lot for workshops and just for pleasure as well. Just to go down and just play it when you feel like it, so because it'll be there.